Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, June the 19th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the 2 stars. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, and this one. Sudoku with 4 stars. Number. This will be number 6620. Yeah. Double 620. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this big square, so no 9 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. 9 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 9 goes there. Then 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 4. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there, here or there. Well, we see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the middle row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the second column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then. Let me see. 4, 7. Well, 3, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the master. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 6, 6. Alright. We have here 1, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. Alright. Okay. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, no need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, no need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 6. We have 2 and 6 in this big square, so no 2 and 6 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in the middle column. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those. That means the other pair in the middle column are the numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, the numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the other pair in this column are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Yeah, 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, no only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 to 6, we have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. 7, 7. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 1, 6 and the 4. 1, 6 and the 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 6, 4. 1, 6, 4, 1, 6, 4, 1, 6, 4. And look, we have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. One box left in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 is missing. Alright. Two missing numbers in this row. For numbers the 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So the other pair in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. And then. Yeah. 7. 1, 9, 6, 1, 9, 6, 1, 9, 6, 1, 9, 6. Well, these two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the fifth column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 8 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here also 7 and 8. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 3 and 8. We have an 8 now in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. 13 minutes for 4 stars. Well, is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 0 stars. 0. 30 minutes. Cannot believe this. But we solved again. And I like this Warriors. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.